Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a comforting bowl of tomato pork ragu noodles. Just look at these juicy tomatoes, tender pork, all poured over springy noodles. Doesn't this look like the kind of dish you want to dive right into? Alright, let's get started. First, I'm scoring the bottom of the tomatoes with a little cross cut. Then pour the hot water onto the tomato. Meanwhile, let's dice up some onions. And for the meat, I'm using pork belly today. I'm chopping it into small pieces, then minced it up. This way the sauce will be really rich and flavorful. Okay, back to the tomatoes. The skins should come off easily now. Just peel them away. And chop the tomatoes into little cubes. Our prep is done. By the way, I've listed all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description box if you want to check them out. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Add a teaspoon of salt and drop the noodles in. Give them a little stir so they don't stick. Once they are cooked, strain them. Rinse with fresh water and set them aside in a bowl. Now heat up some oil in the wok. In goes the pork belly. Let that fry until it's no longer pink. Then toss in half of our chopped tomatoes. And cook them down until they get soft and sandy. This gives the sauce the deep tomato flavor. Next, a tablespoon of tomato paste goes in, followed by our diced onion. Stir it around until the onion is nice and fragrant. Now add a tablespoon of light soy sauce and the rest of the tomatoes. Give it a quick stir and pour in about 450 milliliters of the noodle cooking water. Season with 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of MSG. Then slowly add the cornstarch slurry in small amounts, just enough to thicken the sauce. Right before turning off the heat, drizzle in half a tablespoon of sesame oil for that nutty finish. Look at this! Tell me that doesn't make you hungry? This is comfort in a bowl. Alright, I've got to try this. The noodles are perfectly chewy. The sauce is rich, tangy, and a little sweet. Honestly, I think tomato pork ragu tastes better than the classic tomato and egg version. You've got to try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.